In this guide, we review the top 5 best crypto hardware wallets for 2025, comparing security, usability, and features to help you choose the perfect one. Whether you're a long-term holder or an active trader, investing in a reliable hardware wallet is a must for true crypto security. Number 1. Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano X remains the king of hardware wallets in 2025. With Bluetooth connectivity, a large internal memory, up to 100 apps, and top-tier security certifications, it's the perfect choice for users who want a balance of convenience and uncompromising protection. Built on Ledger's time-tested secure element chip, the Nano X supports over 5,500 cryptocurrencies and integrates smoothly with Ledger Live for mobile and desktop. Why you should buy it? If you need mobility, large asset diversity, and enterprise-grade security, the Ledger Nano X is the undisputed best choice. It's worth every penny for serious investors who want a truly future-proof hardware wallet. Number 2. Trezor Model T. The Trezor Model T by Satoshi Labs remains a titan in the hardware wallet world thanks to its fully open-source firmware, touchscreen interface, and deep DeFi integrations. With strong multi-asset support, over 1,200 coins and tokens, and a simple, secure setup process, it's a favorite among privacy advocates and power users.
Why you should buy it?
Choose the Trezor Model T if you value transparency, privacy, and user control. It's the best pick for people who want a wallet they can trust and verify, not just believe in. Number 3. Ledger Nano S Plus. Think of the Ledger Nano S Plus as the Nano X's little brother, minus Bluetooth, but at a more wallet-friendly price. It packs all the same security, secure element, and can store up to 100 crypto apps. For many, it's the ideal entry-level hardware wallet without cutting corners on protection. Why you should buy it? If you're a beginner or a cost-conscious investor, the Ledger Nano S Plus offers maximum bang for your buck. You get high-end security at a budget-friendly price. Number 4.
KeepKey.
KeepKey by Shapeshift focuses on simplicity and design. With a large, clear display and an ultra-simplified setup, it's ideal for newcomers to crypto security. While it supports fewer assets, 40 cryptocurrencies natively, it still covers most major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Why you should buy it? For those new to crypto or those who prioritize ease of use and visual clarity, KeepKey is a great starter hardware wallet, and it's often priced lower than competitors. Number 5. SafePal S1. The SafePal S1 is unique because it's completely air-gapped, no USB, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi. It signs transactions using QR codes scanned by its built-in camera. With support for 50-plus blockchains and 100,000+ tokens, it's a powerhouse for serious privacy enthusiasts. Why you should buy it? If maximum offline security and total privacy are your top priorities, the SafePal S1 is the best hardcore wallet you can get in 2025.